It's in the scoop. Welcome back to the channel. I'm out on an evening dig on a beach at Folkestone. I'm only going to be doing this area. Sorry for not wearing a hat. Probably got about an hour and a half before the low tide, but I'm only going to be here for about an hour anyway. I haven't charged my coil on purpose so I don't stay out all night. So we'll see how long it lasts. If I'm here for an hour, I'm here for an hour. If not, then there you go. Hopefully we'll find something. If we don't, the video don't come out. Simple as that. See you at the first hole. Cheers. All right, first hole. '67 straight line, and a 68 that way. Out. I've got a bit of probably junk jewellery, to be fair, on the first hole. I might be wrong. But I'm going to say that that was some form of a hair clip. So I would say that that's junk jewellery. There you go, first hole. Alright, second hole. Got a solid 85. Could be fishing, mate. I'd hope it'd be something else, but it could be a fishing weight. Right, it's out. It's out. What do we got? It's a coin. 50 euro cent. There you go, 50 euro cent, first coin. Oh, we've got a 75, 76. Sounds all right. Let's see what we got. Out, whatever it is, and this is target number 3. Just a bit of aluminium. Never mind. Oh, we've got a 90. What's that? 90. That's target number 4. Is a trolley coin. Never mind. Oh, we've got a 68, so I'm going to say either a 10p or a 50p. Oh, there it is. 50p. It looks like the swimmers have got a national gathering tonight. And whilst they're there, I got an 86. That's in the scoop. I got a nugget. Thank you very much. One nugget. Target number 7. 91.92, so it's either going to be a 1 pence or a 2 pence. Oh, I can see it now. I can see it. Yeah, 2 pence. Oh, there you go. I'm not too sure if you're going to be able to see this. 75, 76. It's getting quite dark now. Oh, it's out. It's out. It looks like it's just I think a bit off of a boat. It's like a little handle type thing. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I've got another 91.92. Possibly another coin. And there it is there. And that's another 2p, and that is target number 9. So it could be a 10 hole challenge because they're in a lot here. Target 10. So 54 not moving, so it can be a coin or it'll be possibly a ring pull. Might be a bit of aluminium, to be fair. Yeah, a bit of ring pull. Oh, there you go, bit of ring pull. So that's 10 targets. I will just go for a little bit longer because I don't think there's much left in the coil now. I don't even know if you can see. We've got an 83, 84. Can't see anything. Oh, bottle cap. Or screw lid, I should say. There you go, one screw lid. Oh, I've got an 86, 87. So possibly a pound coin. Possibly. Difficult to say, really. No. Another lid. Never mind. Right, sorry about the glow. I've got red lighting near me, so that's the only thing that can actually physically light me up. These are the new flats, which are appalling when it's windy. at Folkestone seafront. They whistle like a trumpet. As for me, well, I was going to do it as a 10-hole challenge. I may still do it as a 10-hole challenge. I did count them out. I got about £1.60, 50 euro cent, and a couple of other bits. A few screw bottle caps as well. But yeah, apart from that, enjoyable. Thank you very much if you've got this far, and see you on the next. Bye.